Hello everyone, Satan here with Torrent Tutorial. Crimes 2.0 is here and I'm here to walk you through it step by step in my Crimes 2.0 series. So first off, should you switch to Crimes 2.0 beta? Yes, because at the end of the year, this new system will be forced on you anyway. It would be wise to start learning it and progressing as soon as possible. Now there's some mechanic changes. Natural Nerve is your nerve with no buff. This is affected by your total crime experience. Crimes 2.0, there is no cap to how high your nerve bar can become, but getting higher will become more and more difficult. Now let's look at the menu. When you click the crimes link, you can see the search for cash option. These top bubbles are the types of crimes and their success rate at a glance. This bottom bar is your skill in that particular crime. Now if you click the search for cash option, you can see a more detailed view. The success rate of this crime is boosted with the glasses crime enhancer. It is easy to obtain naturally, but if you choose to, you can buy it from the item market. If you click the search for cash logo, you'll see a drop down with more detailed numbers regarding the crime. Below this is your crime skill bar in searching for cash. The skill bar only applies to the searching for cash crime. Crime experience is experience you gain towards nerve bar level ups. This is obtained by doing crimes. It's important to note that your crime experience and your crime skill are two separate mechanics. Now, each search for cash option has success rates that fluctuate. The trash, junkyard, and cemetery success rates change by the day throughout the week. The fountain, unlocked at 75 skill, has a low success rate at the beginning of each month, and closer to the end of each month it gets a better success rate. The search the subway option is based on how many players are active at the time. If lots of players are online, the crime is easier. The search the beach option is based off an algorithm that mimics real-world tide movement across a 1-month time span. If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing. Now it is important to note doing a chain of crimes all at once will increase your crime success rate and skill gain. It is always better to wait until your nerve bar is almost full to do crimes than to do crimes one by one as soon as possible. This is why I recommend trying to collect all of the special crime items. Since we don't know much about Crimes 2.0 yet, it is best to focus on expanding rather than specializing so that you can take advantage of doing multiple crimes all at once. For the search for cash crime, the important items are the metal detector, graveyard key, lost and found key, and the card skimmer. Now as you do crimes, you'll notice little stars appear under the search button. These are unique outcome indicators. These outcomes are one-time events for each player. The important items you'll want to look for are found at the following milestones. The metal detector is found at 35 skill in the search for cash crime at the junkyard. The graveyard key is found at 50 skill on the beach. The lost and found key is found at the subway at 85 skill, and the card skimmer is found somewhere above 85 skill in the subway after already finding the lost and found key. Now if you're hunting for merits, it is important to know that a large number of merits are gained from attacking and crimes. The search for cash option counts towards the theft medals. Since it costs so little nerve to search for cash, this makes this crime the best for getting your theft medal. On top of that, there is 2 honors that can be earned. One is for finding all 7 of the rotten items in the trash. It is important to note you can't just buy them from the item market to get the honor. This is an easy honor to get over a weekend when the success rate is high. And the last honor is for reaching 100 skill in the search for cash crime. If you're interested in showing support for the channel, feel free to drop me a mail in Torrent.